No.
It says Lona, Cheyenne, Kayla. So what do I know?
Oh, she wrote her name on that. Okay, that's okay. And read the top out loud.
If I had just one prayer, I would hope that I could see how to be the parent you have been to me. Aww.
Oh, that was so sweet, Kaylin.
This is
What is
from
that, a
all
shower
three.
curtain?
That's from Kaylin,
Is it a shower
Cheyenne, and Lona. It's from all three.
Aww.
You have to read what it says.
Mine! Look what Diane did! Hold him!
Just close him in the bathroom. Mom, you've been a blessing in my life along the years. You comfort me with tender hugs. You've wiped away my tears. You've guided me in faith. You're an angel from above. You've made my life more meaningful by showing how to love. If I had just one prayer, I would hope that I could see how to be the parent you have been to me.
That's the same thing I wrote on the card, obviously.
Aww.
What is it? I can't see.
So
For
it's for
Mom?
all three of the girls.
Aw.
Yeah, each little thing means something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought Ellie one of those at some other time, but I didn't have it for Mom.
And then the very last part of that is supposed to be the special thing.
Just think, you're not here by chance, but by God's choosing. His hand formed you and made you the person you are. He compares you to no one else. You are one of a kind. You lack nothing that His grace can't give you. He has allowed you to be here at this time in history to fulfill His special purpose for this generation. Aww.
For the girls.
Aww.
What does it say at the bottom?
God's blessing makes life rich. That's beautiful, Michelle.
Oh,
Aw.
didn't mean to do the back. I was in a
You're
hurry.
supposed to hug your sister.
My bracelet.
The sweet mommy. Look, the sweet mommy, and at the end you say, "Give me my bracelet."